There are more than 800,000 manufacturing positions available today in the U.S. Long-range career forecasts have never been brighter, as Inside the Blueprint learned recently in Fort Smith, Arkansas. It's here one technology company and its civic-minded community are fueling efforts to attract and train young workers to the area's manufacturing industries, setting the gold standard for public and private career opportunity program partnerships nationwide.
Here at ABB, we are interested in setting the gold standard every day. And if you look at manufacturing and the change that it's had over the last 20 years, 25 years, there is a significant amount of automation, big data, industrial Internet of Things, and it takes a little different skill set. We're not using all those traditional tools. We still use those tools, but we also use those with data to improve what we do today. So our youth that we're looking at, the gamification of manufacturing, is something that we're very interested in showing.
ABB is the world's largest manufacturer of industrial electric motors. Its Baldor Reliance brand is also the world's most preferred NEMA motor. This combination makes it an exciting, innovative workplace for anyone, especially young adults planning a career path in the fast-growing manufacturing trades.
For manufacturing, I saw what really brought me to light was the robots. It really was something that I wanted to do for the rest of my life. It's like really fun, and it's coding, especially in school, they have the hands-on experience. I just wanted to be something different, and engineering and robotics led me to manufacturing.
We know that we're going to have, and have today, some radically changing skill set needs. So we're working hard with our partners in K-12, education, higher ed, and other business and industry, as well as our chambers of commerce, to build that pipeline of technically and scientifically skilled talent, not just for ABB, but for other companies to take advantage of as well.
With manufacturing plants in 110 countries, connecting software to digitally enable electrification, automation, robotics, and motion control, ABB gives to the world. Equally important is what they give to local communities, acting as a best-in-class example through strong public-private partnerships here in western Arkansas and key cities nationwide.
As a manufacturer, we at ABB understand that children in the K-12 age group don't often understand what their job options are, even though they may have the aptitude for manufacturing and STEAM skills. So we've partnered with many organizations, both locally and nationally, to help expose them to the different options that they have, to help parents, students, teachers, and community members all see the options in their areas.
The Peak Innovation Center is really a regional effort, a collaboration between higher education, K-12, and business and industry partners. That will really be the secret to our success, is serving those students and helping them prepare for the careers of tomorrow.
This partnership with the Peak Innovation Center allows the University of Arkansas Fort Smith to significantly expand its concurrent program pathways. Our students are able to learn on state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and also pursue expanded apprenticeship opportunities so that they can enter the workforce not only trained, but also with the ability to be a great employee, both now and in the future.
Fort Smith's Peak Innovation Center serves 43,000 students from 22 Arkansas school districts.
We're looking at younger skill sets, the things that people are really interested in, IoT, the industrial Internet of Things, and the technology, robotics, automation, AGVs.
My entire career has been based in industrial manufacturing, so I can see firsthand the real benefit that manufacturing brings to someone's career.
I pursued my apprenticeship during high school because I was already in robotic classes, and it just seemed like the next step for me. I wanted to gain some manufacturing experience. In today's environment, there are so many opportunities you can go down in the manufacturing sector.
The skill sets we're looking for are the ability to work with your hands, do things in a physical environment, but also the ability to problem solve.
To discover more about ABB career opportunities, world-class electric motors, energy-saving products, and its public-private partnerships that attract, train, and employ world-class workers, visit new.abb.com/US or visit us at InsideTheBlueprint.com.